Hey guys! Welcome back guys to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Happy Saturday to all my viewers. Yes guys, thank you for tuning in to Fanika TV channel. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. Yes, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Yay! Yeah guys, remember to subscribe. Let's getting those subscribers. Watch the video and subscribe. Also guys, you can find me on other platforms. Other people have been asking me about my other social platforms, and me I said they don't watch my video them, because I feel like I tell people about my platforms every single time. That's like the first thing, like you guys need to watch my intro, right? You can find me at Fanika TV on all platforms. On TikTok, you can find me at Fanika LKG. On Instagram, it's Fanika TV. I have two Instagrams, Fanika. All of my Instagrams is Fanika TV. So once you see a Instagram and it says Fanika TV on my Instagram, right? And also, guys, you can find me on Facebook at Erica Shackelford. So today we are cook some dinner. We not do nothing too much. Just like cook some fried rice. Fried rice. Yeah, we are go Chinese. So I'm gonna be using egg and bully beef. So normally people use minced beef, but I'm gonna be using bully beef, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Please leave a like down below. I want 10,000 likes on this video, guys. So get this video to a 1 million views so we can get the 10,000 likes. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're gonna be making some fried rice for dinner today, Saturday. Yeah guys, let's end the week with a bang. So may I wash the stuff that me want to cut them here up, guys, fine as me can, as fine as me can, as fine as we can. So me not go use the chopper. I go use just a regular knife. Come on, cut them up really fine. So stay tuned, guys. If you reach this far in the video, subscribe, yeah, and like and leave a comment. Yes, guys, leave a comment. Come on, yeah, guys. So me I wash. It's our. It's a sweet pepper. This is a scotch bonnet pepper, some scallion, onion, and garlic. Wow, good. Fine on this. Let me go get one plate and put everything in. Get one plate. guys. Nobody, baby. Going girl, good. Who bad like you? Nobody. We were you that. Kuti wili na ten kuti small. Kat me go on the commerce. I use a mine coming to like. Yeah, guys. Guys, as I say, I try cut everything fine. I see. Nobody, baby. Cut up the paper, guys. We go saute some the stuff that we cut up. Now the butter. In the butter. have some mixed vegetables. So we are going to also saute in the butter. That's some mixed vegetables, guys. We'll get them saute. Don't forget them saute. Okay, so we're gonna make this go and saute. Not even saute, yeah, saute. That's it, cause it icy. We don't want it icy, guys. So we just gonna leave it. Okay, get little spring. While the things are getting sauteed and stuff, we make sure to prepare all of my ingredients, because everything once them soft up, you have to get them in at the pot. So you guys, I hope the pot can hold the amount of something I put in there, which me think it can. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get it to 1 million views. Yeah. I'll put everything one side, one side. So with it, guys, oh, everything one side. Three egg on the clean side of the pot. One. This person on and no spoil. This is two. All of them fresh, guys. Fresh egg. Three. Slapping the egg with everybody, guys. Let's go. This is a very healthy, guys, nutritious type of dish. Very nutritious, full of protein, vitamins, fiber, everything. Cause egg healthy. And guys, you don't have to use egg if you don't eat egg. There's many different ways in making fried rice. Yeah, guys. So we're gonna keep on mix this until the egg is cooked. Yeah, guys. Look like you gotta go all the amount when we want if it will, guys. Hey guys, we are keep mixing it until it's not so wet. Or we can just cover it up. We can make the egg cook. I'll cover it up, guys, and just make the egg cook, guys. Okay, we're gonna get some soya sauce in this. Some soya sauce. Let me use soya sauce. We're gonna get this rice mixed up. Let me worry about the what's it name? Worry about the bully beef. Cause me always send for Papa Vicky them after then something then. Cause me too strong. Guys, I get the rice fry up. So, time to get the bully beef. Ooh. Last thing that is going in. I think me I go ask my mother for pull it for me guys because God know me no want adding the bully beef. Ooh, just drop right in. Just drop right in guys. Curry pot overflow. Everything everything I feel will mix up in this, eh? Watch out.